What you're looking at today is the incredible 2026 Manion, the Legend Concept RV, a futuristic vision that completely redefines what travel could look like in the years ahead. From its breathtaking exterior to its luxury-inspired interior, this concept feels like something straight out of a science fiction movie. But what if this could actually become reality? The first thing you'll notice is the striking design. Every angle of the Manion Legend Concept RV has been crafted with precision. Its sleek aerodynamic body, sharp LED lighting, futuristic glass panels, and bold proportions make it look unlike anything currently on the road. Whether it's parked beside a mountain lake or cruising through a modern city, this RV instantly grabs everyone's attention. But don't let the beautiful exterior fool you. The real magic begins when you step inside. Imagine a spacious cabin with panoramic windows stretching across the walls, giving you uninterrupted views of nature wherever you travel. Premium seating, smart lighting, hidden storage, and a minimalist luxury interior create an atmosphere that feels more like a five-star hotel than a traditional camper. Now, picture waking up in the middle of a peaceful forest. You press a button, and the smart windows automatically adjust to the morning sunlight. The climate control system creates the perfect temperature, while an intelligent voice assistant prepares your travel information for the day. This isn't just camping anymore. It's a completely new lifestyle built around comfort, freedom, and cutting-edge technology. One of the most exciting ideas behind the 2026 Manion Legend Concept RV is its focus on smart living. Imagine AI-powered controls that manage lighting, security, entertainment, navigation, and energy usage. Solar panels integrated into the roof could provide sustainable power, while advanced battery systems keep everything running even when you're far from civilization. The kitchen concept is equally impressive. A sleek cooking area with modern appliances, hidden compartments, and space-saving engineering allows you to prepare meals just as comfortably as you would at home. Nearby, the luxurious sleeping area offers premium comfort with ambient lighting and multifunctional furniture designed to maximize every inch of space. Of course, we have to remember that this is still a concept. Many of these features are visionary ideas designed to inspire the future of RV travel. But looking at today's rapid advances in electric vehicles, smart homes, and AI technology, it's not hard to imagine many of these innovations becoming reality sooner than we think. The exterior also hints at the future of mobility. Large futuristic wheels, aerodynamic airflow channels, advanced suspension concepts, and a clean modern silhouette suggest that performance and efficiency were just as important as luxury. Every detail has been imagined to create an RV that's ready for tomorrow's adventures. Now here's the big question. If a vehicle like this actually entered production, would you choose it over today's luxury motorhomes? Would you trade traditional camping for this futuristic, mobile living experience? Let me know what you honestly think, because I'd love to hear your opinion. The 2026 Manion, the Legend Concept RV, reminds us that the future isn't just about getting from one place to another. It's about transforming the entire journey into an unforgettable experience where technology, comfort, sustainability, and design come together perfectly. If you enjoyed exploring this incredible futuristic concept with me, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more amazing concept vehicles, futuristic campers, and next-generation RVs, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Most importantly, leave a comment below and tell everyone what feature you'd want to see if this amazing concept became a real production RV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.